How to fix Google Play Music not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Play Movies not working problem. So guys, if you like the video, just hit the subscribe button and like the video. And I will show you now. You have to go to your phone settings. Go to your phone settings and then you have to go to install apps or app manager. Here is it, install apps. And then now you have to search for Google Play Movies. Google Play Movies. Here is it. Click on Google Play Movies, and then guys, you can see here force stop button. Click on force stop and press OK. I have already did, so you have to do the thing which I have showing you. Now click on storage, and then you have to clear all the data here. Now go back, and then you can see here app permission. Click on app permission and you have to allow all the permission here. Now go back, restart your phone and reopen the app. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.